Hey everyone, I just wanted to personally invite you to sign up now for the Profitable Regeneration Summit. That's happening tomorrow, October 16th, Thursday, October 16th, and Friday, October 17th. I wanted to share with you real quick the lineup that we have. You might have seen some of the ads and maybe the people that have shared this, and you're wondering okay, who is this for? First of all, this is for farmers and ranchers who are focused on profitability and regenerating the land that they steward and creating a legacy for future generations. Profitability, stewardship, and legacy are going to be the three legs to the stool that we really focus on when it comes to managing our businesses. To just kick things off, these are not in order of how they're going to appear in the summit. This will be a live summit, so we encourage you to show up live so that you can get the interaction with other attendees and also have your questions answered. Come with questions, write them down, be pondering, thinking about it, and come prepared. David Cole's our first speaker. He's an economist. You can read his bio here. He also is a producer. He's taught hundreds, thousands, probably in the tens of thousands of people worldwide, published multiple papers. All that to say that he knows his stuff when it comes to running a profitable business and what actually works in the practical real world. So don't miss that one. Additional speakers, we have Judith Schwartz. She is a best-selling author. Check her out. She's been to ranches and farms throughout the world. She's seen what works. She's going to speak about what are the principles that she has seen firsthand that will lead to a profitable regenerative business that is also something that is going to be enjoyable to work. Lloyd Nelson, he's a biodynamic farmer, practical skills of being able to work with nature to see some tremendous progress from an ecological standpoint, which translates into increased profitability. And these are very much, all of the speakers are focused on what you can actually implement next Monday. You watch the summit, you debrief, you get to work on Monday. That's our goal. Mary Jo Ehrman, you guys know her for Farming Without the Bank. She will talk about some of the principles and practices that are available in the business sector that maybe we do not know are available to us as agriculturalists, and why we need to take charge of our economic state and our finances. Josh and Tara's actually going to be doing this one solo. Josh has a prior engagement, but we welcome them back. They've been on our events before. They are full-time ranchers, they're parents, and they're gonna talk to us about what it takes to be able to build a family-centered, God-focused, successful business that serves mankind and also rewards us handsomely in monetarily, but also in our quality of life. Will Winter, we're bombarded by ads and all this propaganda that says, hey, you got to give this shot and do this wormer and this implant and all that. You know what? God created the bovine and all the livestock species, and I believe when we work with nature and when we honor nature's God, that things just work. And so I look forward to learning firsthand from Will about how to be able to do that. Rich Bazil, Dr. Rich Bazil, he's a veterinarian. He's the founder of Ranch Vision. That is an economic tool, which I just absolutely love because it is so powerful at objectively looking at the economics of your business and saying, hey, here's what works and here's what doesn't. Then you as a steward can decide, what do I need to change and what do I do differently? Ken Hamilton, he's going to draw the connection between the soil, plant, animal, and human health. Why are people sick? We have to look back at how our food is raised and what we're doing to the soil. He's going to talk about some of the practical things that we can do to be able to improve soil health and increase yields and have healthier animals and have healthier people in the process. Roger Ingram, he has devoted his life to educating people about principles of agriculture that absolutely work, and we look forward to hearing from him and sharing his wealth of knowledge, wisdom, and experience. Just a few more here. You can tell this is the incredible lineup of people. We are so blessed to have them speaking to us live. This is not a canned presentation. These folks will be there live They will be answering questions. There will be engagement. And so again, please show up live. Doug Ferguson, Sell by Marketing. He's learned from the best and he practices what he preaches. He is successful at doing it. This isn't theory for him. This is absolutely what works. And the last two, we have Mike Calicrate. He is the local food pioneer, advocate for direct-to-consumer sales, and we'll discuss why that is not only a good idea, but it's a must if we're going to be profitable year in and year out and really create a stable food system. And Josh Kirpin, not the last to speak, but he's the last on the list here. He will be sharing. He's a business consultant. He's a farmer. He's a rancher. He has great balance in his life because he puts first things first. He's going to talk about how he makes that work between the businesses that he manages and how he consults and helps other people to find that work-life balance and fulfillment and success. So that's our lineup, you guys. These are our sponsors. We're grateful for them and the work that they do in regenerative agriculture. Really, this summit's for you if you're ready to take the next step to become profitable and be regenerative. We're grateful for those who are coming to speak. To sign up, all you need to do, it's free. Just go here, put in your name, first and last name, phone number, email address, hit the register button, and you are in. If you can't watch the whole thing live, you'll get the replay, but we encourage you to set these 2 days aside. Again, it's October 16th and 17th. That is this week. Sign up, show up, and be ready to transform.